Okay.
There is no doubt that banana and plantain stem is useful in poultry and livestock feed production. The banana and plantain stem, when incorporated into poultry and livestock feed, plays a significant role in reducing overall feed cost while providing essential nutrients rich in fiber, moisture, and residual sugars. The stem serves as an economic feed supplement that enhances the bulk of the diet without compromising nutritional value. Through fermentation, the digestibility of these fiber is improved, making them more readily absorbed by animals and contributing to better growth and productivity. Additionally, the stem offers biotic compounds and micronutrients that support gut health, thereby promoting better feed conversion and reducing reliance on expensive commercial feed ingredients. This sustainable approach not only lowers production costs but also supports eco-friendly farming processes and practices. This is what this particular video will teach you: how to go about fermenting banana and plantain stems, using it to make a very good poultry and livestock feed that will support the growth of your poultry beds and at the same time help you reduce the overall cost and improve your profit margin in the poultry business. So make sure you watch this video to the end and let's go there in the process. Follow now. Hello, if you're a poultry farmer and you have banana and plantain farms, you are good to go. In fact, you have a very great opportunity to make poultry and livestock feed at a very reduced price or even at a zero price, because in this particular video I'm going to guide you on how to ferment banana and plantain stem and make use of them to produce a very rich poultry and livestock feed. Just relax. Make sure you watch the steps from the beginning till the end. Don't ever skip any of this track because this is purely practical. And at the same time, if this is the first time of coming across this particular channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe. Subscribe and activate the notification bell so that once the update on this particular topic comes up, you'll be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this wonderful app. And if at the end of this particular content you find it very interesting and educative, please give it a thumb up, like, share and comment. Share to other farmers who are in need to drop their poultry and livestock feed costs. Let's go there.
Okay.
The first thing you should do is enter your plantain farm. Search for good plantain and banana stems that are very live. Yes, you may use like this one you see me holding here. The fruits have been harvested and the stem is still fresh. You can make use of the fresh ones. I don't normally advise you to cut off banana or plantain stem that have not produced any fruit, unless in a case where you know that you don't have any alternative. Select those ones that you have used the fruits, then cut them into sizes. As the video goes on, I will also tell you what happens when banana and plantain stems are fermented for poultry and livestock feed preparation. One, like this, you can see this particular one. This is banana. And when looking at this, you know that it will not produce a very better fruit. Yes, you can make use of all those ones that are too tiny, that you know that they can produce a very good fruit. You can make use of them. In case you don't have anyone that have already produced and you have used the fruit. When banana and plantain stems are fermented for poultry and livestock feed, there is always nutrient breakdown. The fermentation process helps break down complex nutrients, making them more easily digestible for poultry and livestock. It increases the digestibility because the fermentation enhances the digestibility of fibers in the banana and plantain stems, improving nutrient absorption in animals. There is improved content. The microbial action during fermentation increases the bioavailability of proteins, enriching the overall protein content in the feed. There is also reduction of anti-nutritional factors because the fermentation process helps reduce anti-nutritional factors like tannins and phytates, which can interfere with nutrient absorption. There is probiotic development during the fermentation process. The beneficial microorganisms such as lactobacilli and others develop during fermentation, which can improve gut health and immunity in poultry and livestock. There is also pH reduction. The fermentation process lowers the pH of the feed, creating an acidic environment that can inhibit the growth of harmful pathogens. There is production of organic acid. Lactic acid and acetic acids are produced during fermentation, which can act as natural preservatives and improve the gut health of animals. Enhancement of flavor and palatability of feed. The fermentation process of the banana and plantain stem often enhances the flavor and the palatability of the feed, making it more attractive to poultry and livestock. There is reduction of pathogens. The acidic environment created during fermentation inhibits the growth of harmful bacteria and pathogens, reducing the risk of diseases through feed or contaminations through the feed. There is enzymatic action. Enzymes produced by microorganisms during fermentation help break down complex carbohydrates, protein and fat into simpler forms. There is improved shelf life. The fermentation acts as a natural preservative, extending the shelf life of the feed by preventing spoilage and microbial growth. Fermentation promotes the synthesis of B vitamins, which are beneficial for the overall health and productivity of poultry and livestock. Fermentation can help break down lignins and complex compounds in plant stems, making the fibers more digestible for animals. Fermentation byproducts. Beneficial fermentation byproducts such as short-chain fatty acids are produced, which can positively impact the metabolism and energy balance in animals. All these are what you will enjoy as a poultry farmer by using the plantain and banana stem in making your poultry and livestock feed. The benefit contribute to the improved feed efficiency, animal health and growth. Now this is the gathering process. We have been able to cut enough plantain stems that we'll use in producing our fermented banana and plantain stem feed for poultry and livestock. Make sure they are fresh, gather enough and start crushing them. We use what we call slicing machine to slice them into pieces if you have the machine. Please, if you don't have the machine, make use of your knife and small machetes and cut them into smaller particles. After that, take them into a bowl and cover them very well. These are the slice. You can see the slice. This is the slice ones. You can see how sliced they are. They are in a smaller form. You can use knife to do that. Now we are now packing them to go and mix. The next step is mixture. What do you need to do? Add salt, add enzyme or yeast. This will help the fermentation process. Add little water and take into a mixer. Here we are now going to mix all the sliced banana and plantain stems. Put them in a sack for up to 3 to 4 days and allow the fermentation process. Here you can now see that it is purely and completely fermented. The next step is to use molasses for you to add more nutrients and preservative into the fermented banana and plantain stems. Dilute molasses up to 4:10 liters. Then this will help to add more nutrients and preserve the fermented banana and plantain stems. Mix them thoroughly and put them in a safe place to feed the livestock. Let's go there and feed our chickens and see how they are going to respond to this very delicious, very attractive and highly digestible banana and plantain stems. These chickens are going to enjoy this meal right now. Let's go there. Now feed your chickens with the fermented banana and plantain stems and see how they are going to react and how their growth rate will increase significantly within short period of time. This is the feeding process. Watch and see the result. How the chickens are going to react, whether they will be attracted to this particular feed. You can see them rushing to me now. You can see them rushing to eat the feed. You can see them. This is complete fermented banana and plantain stems. You can see even some of them are even climbing in to make sure they eat from here. You can see that they are very, very interested in this particular feed. They want this feed, they need this feed. This is all the processes you need. Feed the chickens accordingly. This is fermented. It is a weight feed. So you don't use the normal conventional feeder. You can use any plate, you can use any bowl, you can convert waste motor tire, wash it properly well, and feed them. You can see them eating line by line. You can see how they are rushing to the feed. You can watch them now. Can you see it? See what's happening. This is to tell you and see how clean, see how healthy these birds are, because this is purely organic chicken. You can see how they're going to rush me now. Watch them. Watch, some of them will leave the rest, the remaining feed now to rush the particular location. Watch. Are you seeing it? You can as well dry this feed and keep it for safe or for future use. Either you sun dry it or use feed dryers. And see how they are rushing the feed. This is complete organic poultry feed using fermented banana and plantain stems. Thank you for watching this video to this level. Please, if you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up. Make sure you share this video to reach more farmers. And if you have any question regarding this particular content, drop it on the comment section. Or if you have too many plantain stems in your area also, and you don't know how to go about it, drop your question on the comment section. I will direct you on how to make use of it to feed your poultry birds. It's not only broilers or local birds. You can use it to feed any chicken at all, and you can as well use it for any livestock. You can use it for cow, you can use it for sheep, you can use it for goats. Any, both four-legged and feathered animals can be fed using banana and fermented plantain stems. They are highly nutritious. Not only being nutritious, they are even medicinal because they help to protect the gut system of the poultry birds and prevent them from having external bacteria. So they have beneficial micro and macronutrients in them that fight against harmful bacteria pathogens and parasites. See how they are enjoying it, to tell you that these birds are really happy with this particular feed. You can see that they are eating the feed and there is no water around them there. This is because it is completely weight feed. So both the water and the food are mixed together with other ingredients and other nutritional components. Remember that there is molasses in the feed. Molasses, you know the nutritional value of molasses. Let's weigh the chicken and see what they're going to give us after 6 months of life. Let's see how they are going. Now watch, you can see one chicken, the weight of one chicken. This is purely organic chicken. You can see the weight. Can you see it? This is to tell you that this feed is very rich feed with high nutritional value. You can see the weight of one chicken alone within a short period of time. Thank you. Let's till I come with another interesting topic loading very soon. Please don't go too far. Bye.